This table has some possible values for the length and area of a garden with perimeter 50 meters. Plot the values on the coordinate plane. The graph should look like this. Every time you create a graph, it's important to label the axes. The horizontal axis is for the independent variable, which in this scenario is the length of the garden. The vertical axis is for the dependent variable, which in this case is the area of the garden. Notice that at first the area grows as the length increases, but then the area decreases. Also, the area increases more and more slowly as the length increases. More points can be added to our graph. If we add the points 366 and 2266, you can see how they relate to the other points we've plotted so far. Each point represents the length and the area of a rectangular garden. Since the points have the same area, or y value, that means that with a length of 3 or a length of 22, the garden will have the same area. This makes sense because 3 times 22 is 66. The area values on the graph increase and then decrease. There's a point right where the increasing part meets the decreasing part that represents the maximum area. In this scenario, it's a length of 12.5 and an area of 156 1/4.